What are elephants? Elephants are the largest living land animals, the characterized by their long trunk, elongated upper lip and nose, the columnar legs, ivory tusks, and huge head with wide, flat ears. They are found most often in savannas, grassland, and forests, but they occupy a wide range of habitats including desert, swamps, and highlands in tropical and subtropical regions of Africa and Asia. Then, what do elephant eat? Elephant are herbivores. They eat the range of plants, including grasses, fruit, and roots. And adult elephant consumes about 100 kg 22 pounds of food and 100 liters and 26 gallons of water per day. These amount can be double of the hungry and 30 individuals. Such a consumption makes elephant an important ecological factor because it substantially affects and even alters the ecosystem elephant living. Then, how many different species, different species, yani elephant are there? Then there are the three different species of elephants: the African savanna of bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. The African forest elephant recognized as species in 2000 is smaller than the savanna elephant. There are the three subspecies of Asian elephant: the Indian of mainland, the Sumatran, and Sri Lankan. Then, how long the gestation period of elephant? The elephant gestate of 80 to 20 months, with the longest gestation period of any mammal. The Asian Africa elephants are the listed and the endangered species. They are the threatened by the habitat loss and poaching at the beginning of the 21st century. Fewer than the 50,000 Asian elephants remained in the wild from 1989. Number of African elephant in the wild was the reduced by more of from 1 lakh 6 lakhs party, the result of the chimerical demand of the ivory.